Stop 2 in Emily's magical adventure through the Missoula Floods path. These are the Palouse Falls. And the Palouse Falls were at one point a massive water wall from the Missoula flood cataclysm. And they're cutting also through the Columbia River basalt. And here, particularly, there's some really great layers associated with the Columbia River basalts here. You can see each lava flow in each layer. And what's really cool about some of these layers, especially through most of the Columbia River basalts, particularly this layer that I can point at here, is that they're formed in columns. And this column, we call it columnar basalt, forms when this lava cools. The lava cools so quickly, it actually cools from the outside in, and as it does so, it contracts. And that contraction sort of joints and breaks it off into these beautiful columns. They're sometimes hexagonal, sometimes pentagonal, and they form these beautiful columns that you can see throughout a lot of the Columbia River basalts. And the Missoula floods here were able to cut through a lot of that basalt, as you can see where the falls are now. That's where the falls were coming from the Missoula floods, at a very different scale, of course. And here, the Missoula floods were able to scour out just this incredible basalt. And at one point, millions of gallons of water was just scouring this entire landscape, and that water was coming really, really fast, and it carried a lot of material with it, and as it did so, it scoured out this beautiful valley that is now there today. So this valley is just part of the scablands. The scablands are these basalt outcrops that sort of were left behind and look like scabs.